Ensure the smart dosing dials are set to the 0 position. Bend your knee to 80 degrees. Align the center of the hinge slightly above the middle of your patella. The center of the hinge should be at midline of leg. Place the blue lower buckle button into the blue calf shell keyhole above buckle stability shelf and use the palm of your hand to snap the lower buckle closed. Place the yellow upper buckle button into the yellow thigh shell keyhole and use palm of hand to snap the upper buckle closed. Turn upper and the lower smart dosing dial clockwise until indicators are in the 5 position. Sit with knee bent and foot flat on floor. Open both lower and upper buckles. Pull the buckle buttons out of keyholes.